Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Lisong 2P. We're back again on my YouTube channel. So I'm sure you're asking yourself, hey, why is this guy wearing like this and what's actually going on? Today I actually had a lazy day, but I had a successful day, obviously. So I wanted us to touch a bit more about this specific topic because I know the caption is raising some awareness, like what does it mean when he's saying I'm sitting at home for a job? But ever since I woke up, I've just had a lazy day. So what I've done is that I went to the other room. Let me just tell you what I've done on this day now. So obviously, I'm always going through my journaling here. So I done my morning routine. Obviously, that's what I do on a daily basis. But I was just too lazy, so I ended up just going to the other room. I sat there for hours. I was just reading the book. I'm reading this one amazing book. It's super. Like every time when I read a book, I sleep. But then on the I read I'll read a few pages, like 20, 30 pages, and then I'll fall asleep. But that book, it keeps on just. I want to finish it. I want to even reread it and stuff. So I done that, and then afterwards, I just communicated with my members, from at the office. I was just able to give them some of the tasks, goals, and all those things. I let them on what can be done and stuff. I was also able to push some business, just run some certain things. One thing that I like about today is that obviously, guys, one thing that you do, make sure that you are a subscribed member. If you haven't, just make sure that you go and subscribe now. I'm waiting for you to subscribe while I'm checking this out. Okay, I'm sure you did subscribe. Did you? If you didn't, make sure that you do go subscribe right now, guys. I'm literally lazy. It's a lazy day, so we can just enjoy, can just play around with some certain stuff. So yeah, I'll continue speaking about it. Make sure that you also like this video. But while speaking about it, I'll also get to show you guys a trade that we took on US30. And yeah, but while speaking about it, some things that I also done is that I was running business, just managing some business things and stuff, checking out things such as ads and all those things. And then I went over to, learn about, certain things. I went to go learn about prop firms. I noticed that there's more prop firms out there, but not, I noticed now. Obviously, I noticed a while back, but I just didn't pay attention to them. I thought prop firms were there's a lot of things that needs to be done in order for you to be a part of that, So I lacked knowledge, basically. I lacked knowledge, so let's put it that way. And then, so what I've done is that I went to go learn more about other prop firms. I've seen I think it's 3 that stood out for me that I was like, I need these ones. So those are the ones that actually did stand out for me. And then afterwards, what I've done is that I learned more about real estate, because that's something that I love. I think I actually love that. I learned a bit more about real estate. I was actually on YouTube for a few hours watching some real estate videos. And I also learned about investing into stocks and investing into equities, and ETFs, and all those things. So I was actually watching some of the platforms that I can use, because one of the tasks is that I want to test with one platform that I was able to see. But I don't want to say about these things. I don't want to be too specific now with them, whereby I can I want to test first with my money. I want to test first with my things, and then that's when I'll tell other people, hey, you can check this out. That's how I normally do my things. So I got this other one platform. I actually want to even test around with maybe 6 figures, around 100K, put it in there, and then buy certain stocks, buy certain shares and all those things, and then wait for them to just appreciate, it's not even it's not money that I'm gonna want to do something with. Even the dividends that are gonna come from all those markets and stuff, I'm gonna just reinvest them. I think that's just gonna be my daughter's wealth or something like that. But it's not something that I'm looking to cash out anytime soon. I'll even forget about them. That's how deep it is. So those are things that I actually did get to learn on this day. Took down some notes. I'm excited that my knowledge went up. At the same time, we're able to trade. I'm a trader, trade daily basis. I love trading. Trading is what I eat on a daily basis, guys. If it wasn't for trading, there's a lot of things that I wouldn't be experiencing. There's a lot of things that I wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for trading. So I love trading. It's for me. So yeah, luckily we're able to recover after a few losses that we took. The previous week you did see the video that I did share, experiencing losses and stuff. on which I'm excited that also the members in the premium, in the signal team were able to also capitalize a bit more on this trade that I did share. So let's take a look at what actually happened on US30 today. So okay, I need to charge my laptop, but I actually shared this trade, like, early in the morning I observed this, and then I spotted that, okay, no, we are now at highs, like this is our first high, sorry, and our second high here. So I was like, okay, no, we fair. It means that I can capitalize maybe a bit from the markets here. As soon as I saw price was like around this area, I went down to the 15-minute. There we go. 15-minute right here, and then I sent this setup when it was still somewhere around these areas. That's when I actually did shade in the team. Let me just confirm real quick. Let me just go in the team quick and confirm. Okay, you can see, let me just close the, can I close this? Okay, this is our signal team now, our premium signal team. Where is it? US30 so now, oh yeah, here it is. Okay, we had this, this is how the trade was at first, I was just showing them, okay, double tops. So I basically took this trade like, second here. Yeah, okay, let's see if I can get it that side. Okay. Boom, there we go. Okay, so I took this trade right here after this candle. After this exact trade candle, I sold here. And let me just remove this. And it played around with us. It played around, because I bought in the morning like around 10 a.m. and then it played around. Only at 3:30, that's when the impact happened, on which I could have just easily went in 3:30. But luckily, I was able to just play around, and I scaled in. I actually did scale in on it. 3:30, I actually sent another signal to the team. I was like, make sure that you guys are keeping your profits close. Just be on the lookout, be on the lookout like 2 minutes before 3:30. But I was like, we still seeing the sellers, guys. Let me actually show you what I actually did share. Let me even go here by where is it? Okay, let me go in the 3.0 members right here. Traded here, okay. See this one here, they ate massively, but I want the 3 that I shared. Okay, here it is. I shared this one here. I was like, we need to just be on the lookout. It was like close to 3:30. We were still holding that other 3 that we took in the morning. So let us observe this key area of resistance, meaning that like once we get to that area, it was already approaching 3:30. So once it breaks out of that area, we should close. We shouldn't even wait for it to hit stop loss. We should close. But once it rejects and goes down, then we can easily just scale in. So that's what happened here. Price 3:30 just started going down. I saw on the 1 minute candlestick it was shooting down. I scaled in, and on the other account, on my other account, I think I was able to close somewhere around like because when it was still down there, I closed like even 5k, somewhere around 5k, and I actually even let others run, but at the end, like I think I went home with 5k because the others eventually came back with a trail stop of an area, and then it went down. I think I took profits somewhere around this areas here. Those are 2 profits, but it still went down. And at this time, I told my members, I was like, guys, take profits, and log profits. Do whatever that you can. They actually done that, and they ate. And I'm excited. I'm excited that other members were able to make large amounts of money. Others were able to make profits and all those things. It went down up until somewhere around here, and then it went all the way back up now, which is what's happening now. But we profited from this trade now, which is something that I actually like, which is something that actually did make me be aware that okay, US30 always moves in a certain way, so like I should always be on the lookout for certain stuff, you understand? So those are things that I kept on looking at. So even now, we are going to be looking if we can capitalize moving forward. I don't know if this is actually going to break out to the upside, or if we just have to wait and look and see. But for today, I think I'm safe with it. And one thing that I like is that we're still on the FTMR account, guys. We're still on the FTMR account, and with that FTMR account today, I was able to close. I'll put the video, but I was able to close because at total it was giving me $4,000, and then eventually I think I went home with $3,500. That was the total that I actually took, and I was like, okay, no, I'm calling it a day. Sharing it in the signal group. Look at how beautiful this was, and that's what's actually going on. That's what's going on. Currently running at 4k, but let's just push. We have broke the lows. We have now broke the lows. So we just meet 5K within a few minutes.
This day is gonna close this candlestick. This 5-minute candlestick. Let's see how it's gonna close.
And I'm waiting, man.
Let's see how it's gonna close. Let's see. People are eating. Ah, you don't wanna mess with me. Let me show you. Let me show you in the chat. You can see people are eating. People are eating. Profit. It's only. You can see. US.
So I was able to profit 5K on my side, and I was able to profit $3,500, which is equivalent to like 50,000 rands from the FTM account. And I'm just happy, you know. So for now, I'm just, you know, learning also about more prop firms, because I'd love to treat like, you know, a bigger account as one from like different types of prop firms. Like imagine trading with $1 million without you having to have $1 million like that you have to throw in the market, you understand, which is good, which is amazing. All you need is the skill and like just capital to, you know, buy those accounts. So if you don't have the skill, it's hard of you to actually get there. So those are things that I'm looking at, and it doesn't mean that I won't be trading my personal funds. Obviously I love just, you know, playing around, doing all these things. So I've also got multiple accounts that I'm also going to manage, but I just hope it's not going to be a bit more difficult. Luckily, you know, it won't be difficult, because, you know, I've been trading multiple accounts from since 4 years ago and stuff. Not even 4 years, but 3 years since I think I started getting multiple accounts around 2018, somewhere around there. But yeah, you know, I just wanted to speak about the fact that, you know, we are just able to sit here at home. You know, I've been in here for like hours now. I've been in here, and I don't think that I'll be done. Maybe now I can just hit the streets, see what's happening in the streets, and then I'll be back. But it's nice, you know, you literally just wake up, do whatever, you know, got my food, I ate, went there, I started reading my book, came here this side, I started, you know, learning about different investments that I want to make. You know, I done all these certain things. I traded, I made money, you know, I done all these things, and like that's amazing. Like, you know, even though the business is running, you know, I've got a team of dedicated individuals that are now, not even now, but because it's late now, but that, you know, are making sure that, you know, our clients are getting the best proper care. And, you know, even today, like, I'm on like the live trading session, you know, a lot of members were able to eat. I mean, I even saw funny, like, I was like, thank you so much. You took me from nothing. You made me win your company. Today, I'm a mentor for the Jesus, and I helped someone make 80,000 rands in literally less than a few minutes. Thank you so much. I didn't believe this is possible. I was like, Joe, that's just how it is, Joe. And I'm glad that they have the same vision as me, because it's we all can make money, but, you know, if you're able to help someone else make money, then it's exciting. It gets exciting. So those are things that I just wanted to speak about. You know, I would hear people saying that, you know, we make money being at home, and I was like, it's impossible. How can you say that? But, you know, seeing now with me just being here, and the capital that I was able to bring in just on this day, and the most important thing, the knowledge that I was able to adapt, it's exciting. It's super exciting, which something that I'd love to teach my daughter one day. But that's just how it is. That's just how it is, guys. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe, and comment below what types of videos that you want to see from me, and I'll continue making some of these videos, guys. See you soon. It's your boy, this one, 2B.